This vegetable pie tastes better. Let me show you how to make the vegetable pie that is packed with lots of vegetables. With a basic vegetables, you can make this pie. So let's start it with our fresh vegetables. I'll be using carrot for this recipe. Let's start dicing our vegetables. So this has been washed and be cleaned. So I'm going to cut my carrot into smaller pieces. You are going to enjoy this vegetable pie when you dice your vegetable a little bit smaller, very small. That is how it's going to come out and it's going to taste really amazing. Please remember to watch this video to the end to learn this recipe. After dicing our vegetables, so let's start preparing our fillings. We need to prepare our filling because our pie needs filling. So I'm going to add oil into my cooking pan. I'm going to heat it for a couple of minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add my diced onions. So I'll stir this for about a minute. I just want it to not fully cook but add the taste of fried onion. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my diced carrot as well. All my vegetables are properly diced, like smaller dice. This makes it easy for me to prepare my vegetable pie. Cook this for 1 to 2 minutes, not fully cooked. Then go ahead and add your diced potatoes. Stir this together to combine with your other vegetables. Keep on stirring this for about 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want it to fully cook, but keep on stirring so it will not get burned and everything will be combined. Then you can go ahead and add your cabbage. Combine your diced cabbage with your other vegetables and keep on stirring. As I said, you don't want it to get burned and you want all your vegetables to be fully combined together. While stirring this, if you don't like this video, please remember to give this video a like and take a minute to share this video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed to our channel to get new updates of my latest video. So I'm going to go ahead and add some seasoning, any seasoning of your choice. Then I'm going to add some salt, like a pinch of salt, not too much. Then I'm going to add dry thyme leaf as well. Then combine it, give it a nice taste when you add herbs into your vegetables when you are trying to make vegetable pie or any vegetable or any pie of your choice. I like adding herbs into my vegetable pie and also my meat pie. You can also check my meat pie recipe. I'm going to put that in the description below, or you can also check my channel for more videos after watching this. I'm going to go ahead and add some water. I'm adding like half cup of water, and I want my vegetable to be fully cooked. I don't want it to be too hard, and I want it to be very soft when I adding it into my pie dough. So I'm going to cook it for about 5 minutes, and I would like the water a little bit dry, not fully dry, because I want it to look a little bit soft when I leave it to cool down. So this is it, it's ready. I'm going to allow it to cool down. Let's start preparing our dough. In the bowl, add 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then go ahead and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Combine all your dry ingredients together. Add 340 grams of unsalted butter. Since we are using salt in the dry ingredients, so you need unsalted butter or margarine. If you are using salted butter, you do not need to add salt to your dry ingredients earlier. Combine your butter with your dry ingredients. After combining your butter with your dry ingredients, it will look a little bit wet, like it not so dry. It will look a little bit like more of butter. In a bowl, add 1 egg like in room temperature. Quickly mix your egg thoroughly. Then you can decide to add your egg directly into your mixed butter and flour. I'm going to go ahead and add my mixed egg into my flour and butter. Gently combine your egg with your other ingredients. At this point, it's going to form a dough. If necessary, you do not need to add water into your dough, but I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of water just to give it a more dough. The dough will be perfectly mixed and it will look very perfect for your pie. Wrap your dough and put it in the refrigerator for 30 to an hour. You can decide to use your dough immediately. It all works fine. It all depends on how you like your pie. If you like it very like soft when you are eating it, you don't really need to add it in the refrigerator. I prefer making mine like 30 minutes after I put it in the refrigerator. After 30 minutes, add a flour on a surface and start working your dough for your pie. If you don't really like a meat pie, or you don't like a fish pie or chicken pie, and you will want something a little bit different from your meat pie or your chicken pie, you can decide to try this vegetable pie. It tastes very delicious. Pie comes in any type of shape. You can decide to do the regular Nigeria pie shape, or you can decide to do any type of shape you like. You can do a triangle shape, you can do a square, you can do rectangle, you can do any type of shape you like your pie to come out like. Add a little egg wash. This is our filling. You remember we prepared this filling earlier. It's already cooled down, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my filling into my dough. Then we'll start wrapping our pie. You can decide, as I said, you can do any shape you like, but I'm trying to make a different shape of pie, so my kids will know the difference between the chicken pie and the meat pie and the vegetable pie in the refrigerator. So that's why I will be making in different type of shape of pie in the refrigerator. I like adding fresh pie in my refrigerator. Actually, it doesn't really last long in my refrigerator. Sometimes I might make different type of pie in the fridge and it will last up to a week, because the kid takes a lot of snacks to school and sometimes they like it just for lunch. So I like making a lot of pie at home. So I'm going to see the you can see the way I'm doing in the video. I see one edge of the pie, so I'm going to see the other edge, like close it. I don't know how to describe this, but just the way I'm doing the video. Please let me know anything you feel like knowing about pie, like Nigeria pie, in the comment section. If you have any question about pie while making it, please let me know in the comment section. Give it a little egg wash so it will come out a little bit crispy when you are after baking your pie in the oven, so it come out a little bit crispy and golden color. Put your pie in preheated oven at 355 for 25 minutes. Bake for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, this is the outcome. It looks golden color and it's going to taste amazing. So let me open it so you see how it looks. This is the outcome and it tastes very delicious. If you want something new from your regular pie, your regular meat pie, or your regular chicken pie, you can try this vegetable pie. It tastes better. It really tastes amazing. This vegetable pie tastes better. Thanks so much for watching my vegetable pie. Hope to see you again. Please do not forget to share.